Hi guys, welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF file to XML with PDF.co web API using PHP. Let's start. First, I will show you the sample PDF file that we're going to use for this tutorial. Now, prepare your sample PHP and HTML code. Once you're done, you may now run the program on your local host. Now, fill out the API text field with your API key. Browse and select the sample PDF file that you're going to use. Then, click the Proceed button. Once the conversion is completed, you will be given an output link where you can view and download your XML output. Here's what the XML output looks like.
That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.